Hey friends, if Windows installation is stuck on setup a pin, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. There is only one resolution to it, and that is to disconnect the network and set up the system. And then you will be able to enter the pin because it is not connected to the internet. So I'll show you how this is done. Click on the system tray, click on this, select disconnect to disconnect with the network. Don't connect to any other network. Make sure that the internet is not available. Then right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then click on restart. Once you restart the system will not be connected to the internet, and you will be able to enter the older pin and access your system, or you can generate a new pin as well, but locally, not through the cloud. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.